There are many reasons why we should not have nuclear power. It is extremely dangerous and can cause radiation if not done the right way. Like in the Chernobyl disaster in Russia in 1986. People still cannot live anywhere around there because of the amounts of radiation, which is extremely unhealthy for anyone to take in. And radiation takes hundreds and hundreds of years to disappear, so that huge area will be uninhabitable for a very long time. There was also a major disaster in Japan where a tsunami hit a power plant and spilled nuclear waste all over. People's perception after disasters is not very positive. Everyone was thrilled when nuclear power plants first came out. After the Chernobyl disaster, everyone saw how extremely dangerous nuclear power actually is. The Chernobyl death toll was estimated to be around 4,000. That's a lot of people. There was another disaster in the USA at the 3 Mile Island plant in Pennsylvania in around 1979. Reactor number 2 had a big cooling meltdown, causing everything to overheat. Radiation leaked out and it took 14 years to clean up. It was the worst accident in the USA to this day. We already have all of these fossil fuel plants. It would take forever to get enough nuclear power plants up and running. So fossil fuels will still be most of our energy for a long time. It takes around 5 years to make one nuclear power plant. It will also cost an insane amount of money. Believe it or not, it takes $6 to $9 billion for a 1,100 megawatt plant. Another major problem with nuclear power is the weapons people can make. Nuclear bombs. Nuclear weapons made from uranium can wipe out entire cities and leave radiation for years and years. In World War II, the USA dropped a nuclear bomb in Japan. After they threatened to do it again, Japan surrendered. With a standard nuclear bomb, 50% chance of death is likely within an 8-kilometer radius. With a regular bomb, it does not spread radiation and affects a smaller radius. So nuclear weapons are extremely dangerous. Today, North Korea and Iran are trying to make their own nuclear bombs. If they get enough uranium, they could destroy entire cities. And people can also not dispose of nuclear waste efficiently. The U.S. has 90,000 metric tons of waste. Japan has only 17,000 metric tons. That is a ridiculous amount. Radiation can destroy and weaken cells in the human body, which proves fatal. It damages DNA in cells, causing them to not work. It can also increase cancer risk. In summary, we should not have nuclear power because it is unsafe. It will take many decades to get enough of. It costs so much, and we are already geared towards fossil fuels.